The combination of letter E-N-G in Chinese is pronounced as So the words down here are 灯, 等, 等, 瞪. Again, 灯, 等, 等, 瞪. Again, 灯, 等, 等, 瞪. The pronunciations I put here is for us to practice the 4 tones, so some of them actually do not have a Chinese character to match it, or we don't really have a very daily words for it. So I'll only give you the examples of the ones we use every day. For example, 等 in Chinese means to wait. So in daily life, we love to say 等一下, wait a second, hold on.